When I register on this app, I made $200 plus just by watching 5 videos. Yes, you heard me right. The only disadvantage of this app is, hey guys, Alice here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this app that made me $200 plus just by watching 5 videos. If you're on TikTok, you will agree with me that the brand app is really trending. Almost everyone, if not everyone on TikTok, even outside TikTok, they are just talking about this brand app. Like, the brand app made me $1,000 just by watching 10 videos. The brand app made me $200 just by watching 2 videos. The brand app made me this, the brand app made me that. The thing is, when you go under the comment section of this post, you see a whole lot of comments. I am interested, I am interested, I am interested. Like, Alice, you even try out this brand app and see if what all these people are saying is true. Guys, let's even talk about this brand app that everyone is talking about. Brand app is an app you go and watch videos and get paid for watching videos. You can make $2,000, $500, $1,000, $200. Guys, I'm not kidding with this app. Seriously, I am not kidding. Do you believe that when I just registered on this app, I made $200 plus just by watching 5 videos? Yes, guys, 5 videos. I've been saying app, it's more or less a website, not an app, okay? It's a website where you go and watch videos and get paid for watching videos. I know many of you want to go and register, start watching videos and getting paid, but it's not as easy as it sounds, okay? So when you go and register using someone's referral link, because you need a referral link before you can get registered. You need someone to refer you before you can actually get started on this website. So when you click on someone referral link, you are going to be seeing something like this. Then you will see earn from watching videos, earn through referral, and earn from dashboard, and so many other things. The one we are interested in is earn from watching videos. So you are going to click on earn from watching videos. You will see an interface like this with many videos showing on it. If you check closely, you are going to see each of the videos has a price tag in it. What this means is when you watch that video, the amount of dollar that is written beneath the video is the amount you are going to earn for you to watch this video. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm saying. You can come across videos that are $5, $6, $8, $10. You can even see videos as $150. That's after watching that particular video, you are going to be paid $150. Yes, guys. So when you click on any of the video that interests you, are going to see the minutes there that is going to take you for you to watch that particular video. And after watching that particular video for that minute, just go to your dashboard, click on your dashboard. You are going to see the exact amount that is allocated to that particular video you just watched. It's showing on your dashboard if you complete the video, like if you finish watching the video completely. When you finish watching that video, just click on your dashboard. You are going to see that the amount for that particular video is already reflecting in your dashboard. It's as simple as that. What many people are not talking about, guys, is that you need 30 referrals before you can actually make withdrawal from this app. What do I mean? It means that 30 good people need to register through your link before you can get withdrawal. And the thing is, once anyone registers through your link, this app is still going to pay you for referring people to their website. Let's talk about how can you get paid, all right? This website can pay you through Western Union, they can pay you through OPay. If you ask me what do I think about this app, I would say this app is a good and a nice app for you to watch videos and get paid. But if you ask me on a very honest and a deeper level, I will say that this app is just wasting your time, your energy, your resources, and your data. The reason why I'm saying this is that you might not be able to withdraw your money. So what is the point of making $1,000, $500, even $5,000, $4,000, and you are not able to withdraw this money? After you have even referred the 13 persons I'm not still sure that you'll be able to withdraw this money. Personally, I've not been able to withdraw from this app because I've only been able to refer 25 persons, and this website says that you must refer 13 persons before you can make withdrawal. I've seen many people saying that they've been able to withdraw from this app, but guys, I'm not actually sure. That's my own personal opinion anyways, but I'm not really sure that these people are saying the truth. I just feel that these people want people to register through their link so that they can be able to gather these 13 referrals, okay? So guys, if you want to try, just go ahead and try it, okay? I'll put my link on the pinned comments. Just go to the very first comment, the pinned comment. You are going to be seeing my link. Just go there and register. But in my opinion, I feel that it's time wasting, okay? But if you have time to spare and you have energy to do this, you will not actually be spending much time, okay? Maybe within 1 hour, you have been able to gather $120 or even more than in 1 hour, okay? The most challenging part is the 13 people. If you have the energy to get 13 people to register through your link, fine, you can do it and see if you'll be able to make withdrawal. This website is really too good to be true. How will I just watch just 5 videos and I'm making $200 plus? I come across a video whereby when you, I think it's a 1 hour plus video, when you watch that video, you are going to be paid $155. I'm like, how true is this? That's why I'm just being skeptical that this thing is not true. But if you have the energy, why not? Where the work really is, it's not for you watching the video, because you can actually watch videos within 2 to 3 hours. You'll be able to gather $300 or even more than that. But the problem is, where are you going to see these 13 people that are going to register through your link? If you have a bunch of friends that can actually register through your link, I would say you should try it out, okay? Just try it out and see when you get to that 30 people if you'll be able to make withdrawal, because to make the money is not that difficult. Within 2 to 3 hours, you'll be able to earn a reasonable amount of money with this brand app. So as I earlier said, I'm going to be leaving my link on the pinned comment. Just go there and click on the pinned comment. It's going to take you to the website. Just register and start earning, then sharing your link with your friends and see if you'll be able to earn. So you can still come back to this video and share your experience with us, or if maybe you have come across this website or you've used it before, please share your experience with us in the comment section, okay? If you want trusted and tested strategy on how you can make money online, I'm going to be leaving some videos on the description for you to watch, okay? This channel is all about making money online, legit trusted and tested strategies that you can use to make money online and from the comfort of your home. I'm going to be, just check out the channel, right? So I'm still going to be leaving some videos in the description for you to check out and start earning money as soon as possible, okay? If you've watched this video to this extent, this is value for your time, please consider smashing the like button for me. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are here not to subscribe. Turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this one. And don't forget to share. So this brings us to the end of the video, guys. The videos that are popping up on your screen right now are videos that YouTube recommend that you should watch from this channel. Click on any of these videos and I will see you in the other side.